Laguna XS.2 and M.1 just dropped this week, and this 2 model is actually for agentic coding. If you check the benchmark, you can see it's scoring 68% on SWE-bench verified. To give you a reference point, that benchmark measures how well a model can actually fix real GitHub issues in real code base. And 68% on a model, you can run it completely for free locally, or you can use API key to run it more efficiently. So you can right now, if you check here, it's actually available on Open Router and Olama. It's right now open weight, so you can use it completely for free. It will also working with NVIDIA, so you can find this model there also. If you go to Open Router, you will see the Laguna XS.2 and Laguna M.1 just free to use from here, and it's actually built by Poolside. It's a American AI model. You can use it completely for free right now. It's also available on Olama platform. You can just command this to run it locally on your machine, but here you have to make sure that you have enough GPU. So it's actually required, the latest version required 23 GB. So if you have limited hardware, then you can use Open Router API key to run those 2 model completely for free. And in this video I will show you how you can use it with Claude Code, so that you can use the Claude Code interface but run these 2 model for your work. Okay, so for doing this, here if you read this documentation, how to connect Claude Code using Open Router, here is the documentation, so you can just read it. At first you need to have Claude Code installed. So how you can do that, if you are using Mac OS or Linux or WSL, then this is the command. You will have to command this to install Claude Code on your machine. If you don't have, if you have a Windows computer, you will open a PowerShell and command this to install Claude Code on your Windows computer. Okay, I have already done that. How you can verify it? You can open a terminal and simply type Claude dash space version. Okay, so if you just command this, you will see a version. That means Claude Code is installed. If you don't have installed, simply copy any of this command and then just paste it here, press enter, and then Claude Code will be installed on your machine. Okay, this is the first step. The second step is you will have to connect Claude to Open Router. So how you can do that? So at first you can see it's actually guide you. At first you need to go to Open Router. So here you will come to Open Router, so openrouter.ai. Then you need to have an account on this platform. I have already an account, so here you will click this get API key and then you land this page. Okay, under this API key, this is the dashboard. From here you will go to API keys, and now you will have to create an API key. For example, here I will simply create an API key and we'll name it. For example, we're going to use Laguna model, so for example I will say Laguna XS1, something like this, XS.2 M.1 model. So I will just define something this like name, and then we'll click this create. Okay, so this is the API key we need. You can just save it a text editor or anywhere. So let me save it here. After then, what you will do, look, if you check the documentation here, the next thing is that to use it you will have 2 ways. You can use this command. You will have to paste your API key here. Okay, Open Router API key, then command this and it will be actually save it on your config file. So you can use this, but the easiest way, you can use it on project setting file. So this is the easiest way. For example, to do that, what you will do, you will go to a project directory, then create a project. For example, for this purpose, let me define demo Laguna model. I will just name a project folder. Then what you will do, we will open Visual Studio Code and drag this model. Okay, something like this. Let me try this. Okay, so the next thing is that what you will have to do, look, to use this locally on your project directory, you can have to create a .claude folder. Then inside it you will have a settings.local.json file. You can simply copy this portion and right now open here, click this new file options and paste it. So you will have something like this. dot Claude / setting dot local dot JSON, and then press enter. You will have this file. Here what you will do, you will simply copy this env and now you will paste it here. Okay, so you will have something like this. What you will need to do, you need to just look, you need to replace your OpenAI, Open Router API key. So your API key is here. I will have this API key. You will use your own API key and then paste it here. The next thing is that you need to add more variable. For example, if you scroll a little bit, here you will have how you can configure model. So for doing this, actually, let me copy this and now I will simply add a comma, and then here we will paste it. Okay, we'll need to adjust it a little bit. I will remove something like this and let me accept it. Okay, you will have to define something like this. You will have Anthropic default opus model. You can just change the name and the variable here. Okay, so for example, what you will do, you will replace this model. Okay, so to do that, for example, you will go to, for example, here, you can go to this page. Let me show you. Explore this model, search Legona, and then you will find all of this model. For example, let me first go this, and here you will simply click this API options, and now here you can see you will have the model. Okay, copy this and now paste it here. Okay, simply paste it here. So you can do this for also. Then, and for M1 version, let me also check this M1 version, and we can also use this. Go to API section and then copy your model. Okay, simply copy this model and now paste it here. So it's a little setting, you can do it, and now you are ready. What you will do, open a terminal, then simply type Claude and press enter. So it will ask for actually security guide. Let me accept it, and now you can see you are using full site Laguna XS.2 free version model. If you need to change the model, you can simply command model and then press enter. Then you will see, so here by default it will open the Laguna XS.2 free versions. So then if you need to change it to M.1, you will have use your down arrow key and choose the fourth one and then press enter. It will work. Okay, I will keep it by default as we have, so that's why I will just press escape to exit. Okay, so now here you can just create any projects if you have in mind. For example, for a testing purpose, let me say something. Create a basic HTML file to say hello. Okay, something like this. It's actually test purpose. Let me press enter, and you can see here it's created automatically, and let me press enter to save it. Okay, so right now we can see we will have a index.html file. Let me minimize it, and right now if you launch it, you can see it's a hello text is displayed. You can just make your own projects. You can just create landing page, try to build something more interestingly by using this. Actually, for example, if I want to show you, if I just command, I have already configured is some skills. If you call, for example, front end, if I don't have this, let me go to plugins, then I need this front end design, so I will keep it something like this. You can find it here, so simply search it, or you can use front end design, and then here let me install it on actually project scope, or install it for in this repo only. So it will be for only for this project. Okay, I will use it only for this project, and right now it's actually installed. If you just see it, it's installed, and run / reload plugin to apply. For example, let me run reload plugins, okay, to activate it, and right now it's added. So if you command / front end design, then using these actually skills, these front end skills, you can create distinctive production grade front end interface with high design quality. So if you need to build amazing landing page, you can use these skills. So let me press enter, and now here I will simply remove this index.html. I will simply try to build something. I will say create a landing page for a let me define a business, something like this: beauty shop with products. Okay, something like this. And if you now just prompt this something like this, it will use our front-end design skills to create a aesthetic landing page for me. So let me press enter and wait until it's complete. It will actually create a distinct landing page for a beauty shop using the front-end design skill. So it will give it more appealing design, and that would be highly engaging. Let me show you. When it's complete, I will show you how interesting using these skills. Actually, you can see when you are using skills, it will use the skill. So if I want to show you the skill here, if I go to the user sections, then let me open the Claude folder. So where is Claude? If you go to, for example, plugins, then marketplace, then Anthropic agent skills, inside these skills you will have front-end design. If you open the skill.md file, then you will see this is actually a skills. Okay, so you can just make this type of skills. If you need tutorial, I have already made a tutorial how you can create this type of skills for your own projects. So these skills actually working for design thinking. It will use tone, constraint. It will actually build HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React component, Vue.js. Okay, it will build production grade and functional component, and all of this. Here it use the typography, color schema, motion, then composition, background, and visual deals. Okay, so now if I back here, let me accept it. So I will just use the second one so that we can just edit it on the during of when it's actually generating. So I think this is actually created. Look, this model is very fast. I have actually has to say. So look, it's actually right now working perfectly. Now if you see, this website is much more better, though here is an icon missing. We'll have to fix it, and I hope you can just vibe code it much more better. And I will actually just trying to see how this model is fast.